Is that kind of ball?
Okay, you're going to create shadow there. I might have to move that light, my love. Here, let's move this light just a little bit. There we go. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. We are here because Ava wants a colored lip balm.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. And I'm only going to make half a batch of it because I don't ordinarily do my lip balm colored. But she has chosen watermelon. I don't use flavor oils. I use candy flavoring in my stuff. So we've got our bowl. It's already been alcoholed and whatnot. And we have to take our alcohol to get the alcohol out of there. And our bag has been alcoholed. Because what do we got to do with all this stuff? What happens if it's not sterile?
No.
It's yucky, right?
And I cannot put it on my lips.
No. Then you cannot put it on your lips. That's for sure.
I mean, my lips cut off.
So that was my beeswax. I only used 3 ingredients, which as a matter of fact, I'm going to have to, oh shoot, gotta spray that again. Get a paper towel. Sorry guys.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta grab my vitamin E out of my fridge. Okay. So I only use coconut oil and...
This one?
Yeah, I only use coconut oil, beeswax, and vitamin E. All of my flavorings, all of those candy flavorings are oil soluble. So I put the flavoring in along with, I lost my train of thought, with everything. So with our pipette, because this is half a batch, woo, we don't need that much.
It's red.
It is red. And she has picked Fairy Tale Pink as her color, but we're going to color it after everything melts.
Yeah.
Yes. So let me grab our vitamin E, and I've got to alcohol my hands again.
I can do
And
that.
all of that good stuff. What are you doing? Oh, you're alcoholing your hands? Yeah, because
I can do it.
you can do it. I got it.
No, on your hands.
Oh, you want to spray the alcohol on my hands? Good job. All right, there we go. And Mimi's going to put it on our arms, too.
Me too.
Okay. And I just used a few drops of vitamin E. Okay. Alrighty. So now I'm going to put this on the double boiler, which is on my stove. Get everything melted. When we come back, my double boiler is going to be sitting on the counter. I'm going to have to bring you guys back out a little bit because I use I have another pipette that I will alcohol while this is melting, and I will use that to fill the tubes because I don't have one of those fancy, like, you know, tube filler thingies. So I just put a hair band around them, and I use the pipette to fill them. So, but I want to keep it warm because, you know, I don't want anything to seize up on me while I'm trying to fill it. All right, we'll be right back.
Bye.
Okay, we are ready to go. Let me take my spatula out of this.
Hello.
And I will be moving it to the, here, we're going to put that in the sink.
Yes.
And we are going to re-alcohol before we do anything. Watch out, baby, this is hot. Can't touch it. So my mixture is in there. Let's re-alcohol before we touch anything. Just to be on the safe side. Rather be safe than sorry. Oh, sorry. Did you get it in your mouth?
Yes.
I know that this is, here, let me see if I can move this a little bit more into your frame. Don't touch it, baby girl. Maybe not. Let me move you guys up. We'll move you up there. I'll put you back down when we go to fill them. But we are going to add color to this.
Yay!
She has chosen Fairy Tale Pink.
I want watermelon pink.
What?
I want watermelon pink.
Oh, well, it's going to be Fairy Tale Pink because that's what I pulled out. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
So we just need a little teeny bit. Just a little teeny bit.
I'll just scoop it up.
Yeah. Okay.
That's it.
Like I said, I don't ordinarily make tinted. Ooh.
Pink.
It is pink. I don't ordinarily make colored.
Oh, I smell
stuff.
it now.
You smell it now, of course you do, because it's watermelon.
It's watermelon.
Yeah, and I'm going to bring this over so they can see how pink it is really quick. This is hot, 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 hot.
I see the
See,
water.
it's pink. Okay, so we're going to take our pipette and we are going to fill it and then just simply put it into these. I know this is sort of, you know, not the best way to do it, but oh, let me put that down. But this is the only, no, you can't do it. I love you, but no. You get to test it. How's that?
Okay.
Okay.
On my lips.
Yes, on your lips. Once it's got to harden up. But I don't want you to accidentally put this,
My mouth.
well, no, not just put it in your mouth, but I don't want you to touch that pan accidentally and burn yourself, baby. Because that would be bad, right? Yeah, you don't want to burn yourself, and I certainly don't want you to burn yourself. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't put you guys back down and pull you in. I'm sure I'm in your way anyway, even if I do put you down there. And like I said, I like to keep it on my double boiler just so it stays liquid and I don't have to continue to melt anything or, you know, anything like that. What do you think? Is this an interesting, long, complicated way to make lip balm, Ava?
Does he make lip balm?
Yeah, this is the way I make lip balm. That's why it takes me so long. My customers love my lip balm though, so that's a good thing, I guess.
When is
But this is absolutely the first time I have ever made colored lip balm, and you can thank my granddaughter for that because she wanted lip gloss.
Oh, lip balm.
Well, but you wanted it colored.
Yes.
You wanted it colored.
And Kiki won't know this.
Kiki won't notice? You don't think so? Well, this one's not going to be completely full.
So you probably am my
That's all right.
Yeah.
We'll see how this test works. How's that?
After
Okay, so we're going to let it set up. And yeah, I know, because we didn't have enough. Let me get this out of her way. We're going to let this set up, and when we come back, we'll have Ava show you how beautiful her lips are with it. What do you think?
It'll be pinky.
Yes, it will be pink. Okay, we'll see you guys in just a little bit.
They'll
Bye.
make lipstick.
Yes. Okay, we stop. All right, Ava is going to try it out. I'm going to get, because this was not quite even. This is hers, by the way. So, all right, there you go. Now it's your turn. You're going to show them. I thought you were going to put it on for them. There you go. Ooh, nice. That's a very subtle color. Does it taste watermelon-y enough? Yeah? Is that pretty good?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to put some on me? Here, let me do it myself. Alright, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like I said, I don't usually make them colored, but, you know, for Ava, I have to do everything just because she's so sweet. And I do put them in boxes, you know, obviously, so when I sell them. Yeah, I have a ton. I have 100 tubes to fill, so I'll be making like lip balm for a while, but other than that, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.